What if I told you that you never have to pay for AI again? Not for GPT-5, not for Claude, not even for cinematic video generation like Sora 2 or Veo 3.1. There's a completely legal way to access all of it for free, unlimited, with zero restrictions, and almost nobody is talking about it. No logins, no credit card traps, no 7-day trial nonsense. I'm talking about real, high-end AI models, the same tools companies are charging $30 to $60 per month for, available instantly at zero cost. With this platform, you can write code, build apps, generate ultra-realistic images, create full AI videos, do live perplexity-style research, and even run model comparisons, all from one single place. And in today's video, I'm going to walk you through everything step by step on screen, nothing theoretical, so you can start using it immediately. Stay with me till the end, because I'll also show you a method people are using right now to get unlimited AI video generation with absolutely no watermark and no usage limits, 100% free. Before we begin, hit that like button. And if you want early access to breakthroughs like this before the internet finds out, make sure you subscribe. Let's get started. To start, open your browser and search for LM Arena. Then click the first search result. At first glance, this looks like a simple, basic website, but you'll be shocked by how many amazing AI tools are packed onto it. Almost all the well-known premium AI tools are available here for free. When you click the drop icon, you'll see features like Battle and Side by Side. This is where you can compare two AI tools. There's also Direct Chat. Under Direct Chat, you'll find a long list of AI tools: Gemini 2.5 Pro, Claude Opus, GPT-5 High, QN3 Max, Glock 4, DeepSeek, and many other premium AI tools, all available here for free. Under Side by Side, you'll also see a large selection of AI tools ready for comparison. But let's start with Direct Chat first. I want to create a simple daily task app. I'll select ChatGPT-5, paste my prompt, and hit Send. As you can see, the code for our app is generated. I'll copy it and search for an online code compiler. I'll click the first search result. I'll select HTML, paste the code, and run it. Good, it's working perfectly. I can add tasks here. For example, go to the gym. Stay hydrated. Get enough sleep. I can tick a task when it's done. If I've had enough sleep, I mark it done. If I've drank enough water or went to the gym, I can tick them or delete them completely. This means the app is working perfectly. Now, let's go back and try something different with this tool. Now let me show you something. When you click the image icon, it generates an image option. I'll click Continue to proceed. Then I'll select the side-by-side feature, and you'll see many tools available. We have Seedream, Nano Banana, Hunyan, and a whole lot more. So let's compare two AI tools, Seedream and Nano Banana. I'll select Seedream and Nano Banana, give both the same prompt, and hit Generate. Let's see what each tool produces and which one makes a better image. Nano Banana finishes generating first. I'll go ahead and download it. Now Seedream is done. For this outcome, I think I like Seedream's image better than Nano Banana. In fact, I love it. What do you think? Leave your thoughts in the comments. Let me download Seedream's image. Now I'll come back to the image generator and show you how to edit images with these tools using Direct Chat. I'll select Nano Banana under Direct Chat. I'm going to upload an image of a cat. After uploading, I'll give it this prompt. Wear the cat a crown and a gold medal around its neck. Then I'll hit send. Good. The image has been edited. This was the original image, and this is what Nano Banana produced for us. Let me download it. Let me do one more, then we'll move on to other fascinating things you can do here. I'll upload another image, a lion, from my gallery. I'll add a prompt and hit send. That's also done generating. Here's the original image I uploaded, and this is what Nano Banana generated for us. Now I'll go back to Direct Chat and select ChatGPT-5. Quick heads up, if you switch tools, for example, from Direct Chat to Side by Side, you will lose the chat because LM Arena doesn't save history. I'm about to show you how to handle that. I'll open a new tab and visit LM Arena again. In the new tab, I'll select the image generator and choose Nano Banana. Then I'll come back to the original tab, copy the prompt for the first scene, and paste it into the new tab to generate the image. I'll repeat this process to generate the remaining scenes. Before I show you how to generate unlimited AI videos for free using this tool, let me show you one more feature, live search. Aside from generating images, videos, and stories, you can also do live research on this platform. I'll click the web icon, and LM Arena will start a new chat session for me. I'll select Direct Chat and pick a tool under Live Search, for example, Grok 4, or another available option. I'll go with Perplexity AI and type what I'm researching. Example, the top 10 incredible news about AI this week. I'll hit send, and the research begins live and formatted. Apparently, these are the top 10 major trending AI news items from last week. Now let me show you how to generate videos with LM Arena, the part you've been waiting for. This is the final moment. Let's get it done. Look at the top left corner. Click that. Open the drop-down menu, and you should see Join Discord. Click it. You'll be prompted to join the LM Arena Discord server. Simply accept the invite. Now we're in. Select anything on the screen or skip the onboarding screens. When you check Video Arena, you'll see Video 1, Video 2, Video 3. You can select any of these to start creating videos. I'll select Video 1. People have already created videos here, and more are being made all the time. So let's create one too. I presume your prompt is ready. Click the message field and type a slash. You should see Video among the options. Select that. Leave your prompt there and hit send. LM Arena will start creating your text to video. Give it a little time to complete. Our video is ready. Let's see the result. We got 2 results. Let's watch them. Which one looks more natural to you, the first or the second? Leave your answer in the comments. Now, I'll show you how to animate a video, image to video. Just like before, type slash, but this time select image to video. Upload the image you want to turn into a video. Give it a prompt, and hit send. Oops, I'm getting an error. Image must be at least 300 by 300 pixels. Please upload a larger image. When you face this, ensure your image's pixel dimensions exceed 300 by 300 pixels. Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, please like, subscribe, comment, and share with friends and family. Anyway, which AI tool do you want me to cover next?